Project management is the organized process of guiding a team to reach a specific goal within a set time and budget. At its core, it is about creating structure. It turns a vague idea into a series of actionable, measurable tasks. The goal is to deliver the project requirements fully, while keeping the team efficient and staying within the allocated budget. Successful projects rely on a few key pillars like setting clear goals, managing available resources, and identifying potential obstacles early. Projects are unique and temporary, unlike operations, which are the daily, repetitive tasks that keep a business running long-term. Most projects follow a predictable arc, from initial brainstorming and planning to the heavy lifting of execution and final review. Planning is the heart of management. It turns abstract intentions into concrete steps that you can actually track and complete. Whether managing a small task or a large business venture, these principles apply. Thanks for watching and keep learning.